You're watching That's Entertainment here on News X. Now, if you always unfailingly lead the brigade of the fashion conscious, then you seriously cannot be in a better place than India. No more trips to London, Paris or Milan. Leading designer brands for across the globe can now be picked up under one roof. In fact, along with India, it's Brazil, which is fast turning into a hub of luxury. Here are the details.
All the well-heeled and fashion-conscious, there's good news for you. After Mumbai and Bangalore, Delhi too is now home to The Collective, the one-stop shop for all the high-end, ultra-chic brands from across the globe, and including all the top designer labels from India. With the opening of so many stores housing nothing but the best picked up from around the world, one can't help but admit that the appetite for luxury in India is indeed growing.
There is increased fashion consciousness which is happening, and that's because of one, Indian customers traveling abroad. So the number of people who travel abroad has grown by almost 71%. We also see there is an influx of expat people coming into India, so that's another influence which is happening. So given these factors, what's happening is that there is an increased level of fashion consciousness and awareness in the market. The three countries in the world where luxury is indeed growing is India, China and Brazil, where the growth rates are in excess of 25%. So these are the only markets where growth is happening.
Talking about Brazil, the sale of luxury goods are worth almost $7 billion and are expected to grow by 11.5% this year. Shopping malls have seen a rising demand in high-end brands like Montblanc, Louis Vuitton, Chanel and even Bentley. In fact, 12 new shopping malls are expected to spring up by the end of 2010. And to get in sync with the latest trend and have just the right look for the season, you might just have to go back to college.
Let me give you some of the trends of the autumn-winter 10 season. One of the trends which is very clearly coming out is the collegiate theme. It's more inspired by, Harvard, collegiate kind of a look. So it's all about checks and plaids which are coming back. So there's a returning of checks which you see. If you get into denims, we see the denims are getting much more cleaner in terms of look, less distressed. A shift from more of the blues to blacks and grays, which is happening as a trend.
And in case you're digging deep into your pocket, worry not, The Collective promises something for everyone.
I think, at The Collective, in the accessories, we, have brands like Antony Logistics, which starts with prices like 1,000 rupees to Sachin Tendulkar's favorite perfume, which is Comme des Garçons, which goes up to 9,000 rupees. We have in apparel Kenneth Cole, which is very nicely priced, sweetly priced at 2,500 to Armani Collezioni, which can go right up to 12,000 rupees, to DNG, which goes to about 9,000 to 10,000 rupees. So, the interesting thing about The Collective is there's something for everyone.
So there you go. Turning into a fashionista is now just a stone's throw away. In New Delhi with Priya Randhawa, Gitanjali Prasad for News X.